Hey, everybody, welcome to another fun, exciting episode of Watch Me Practice Trading, RDV4 2025 edition. This is where I practice trading and queue on in October. So I did October 1st, and we're on October 2nd right now. This is the first video in the afternoon. We've done 7 videos for this morning, the morning of October 2nd. And now we are at 12:43 p.m., 12:44 p.m. I skipped the lunchtime time, so we stopped right after like 11 o'clock. Oh, man, it did a nice move down. How long was this move here? Around there, 76 points. That would have been a nice move. So I was saying we're either coming down here or we're going up here. Well, apparently we went down to the bottom and didn't go up. Let's see, are we missing anything here? So it came down here to the daily open, the VWAP, the blended 200. We're right above the EMA 200 right now. There's like a whole bunch of garbage like right here. This is kind of messy. Not a great time to trade until it starts doing something. So we'll see how it goes. So we started this series with a 50K account, and on day one, October 1st, we booked 34,900. So far for October 2nd, we've got 21,840. Last video was $695. It was kind of going sideways here during that video. Didn't really get much action there. I think we only had like 1 or 2 contract trades. But let's kind of see what's going on over here. I mean, so, we definitely got down here to the daily open. Question is it going to hold, and is it going to go back up, or is it going to continue to go down? Our different charts that we have. So these two here are time charts. We have 5-minute and hour, 5-minute at the top, 1 hour down at the bottom. So this is momentum short. Bias is currently long, but looks like it's flip-flopping. Question is, will we get above 20,014 on this guy here? This one here, the 1 hour, looks like we came and we did a double top here at approximately 20,060, 50, 60, something like that. And then we came down to the daily open. Looks like we bounced off it, but the question is, where are we going to go? We came up to 50% of the big red candle and then, came down. If we look at, these are tick charts over here, small, medium, large, and I also have a 15-second off screen. That gives me certain information. So let's see, what is this thing going to do? Let's kind of draw like a range box here. Actually, let's bring this down. Maybe like that. Where's the big order? Long. Let's see how big that was. This is a 44 contract short on the NQ. The other one was an 80 long. So this was an okay trade, although it went against them quite a bit. But it looks like, let's see. So this is the OR high right above our range box. So we need to get above that. We got a pivot point right up here, a little bit above at 35. So 20 points in here. Looks like we might have missed a trade. Let's get, so I'm going to stop yapping, start kind of like looking at this stuff here. So we are momentum short, momentum long. Oh man, that was a nice move.
Long.
see what time is it. 48. Came up to the Bollinger Band. So this guy came to the daily open, tap, daily open, tap, almost there, tapped it again. Maybe this was the market trying to screw the people that thought it was going long from here. And so they longed it, and then everybody dumped their stuff at a loss right there. So let's see if we can get a little bit of a pullback. Let's see, try to get in here, take some profit at approximately 36. Looks like it wants to move. Let's see, we'll try to get a quick little scalp. I don't like how we got filled right there at the tippy top of that. Not really convinced right now that it's going to go up, so it might be a good idea to bail on this. But it doesn't have to go up very much. Man, it is like holding this 32 level right there. And we're out $160 because this is like a reactionary. That was like a very risky thing just to catch a couple bucks. There's only 2 contracts. So at this pivot point, it's got a pretty good chance of bouncing off of it. Next target on the way up. Oh, look at that. Next target on the way up is this line at 2060. That is like this right here. So it's 2060 and a little bit below it. Right. So on the low side, we got like 2055 to 2060. Or did I just move a line? I think I did. Right there. Where are you? I'll draw another one. The line right approximately here. So this is kind of dangerous, very aggressive right here if we get in, because it could go either way. I mean, it could react right here at 35. There's a level at 50 here. There's a channel that we were in earlier in the last video. We should have just stayed in that.
Long.
Okay, expecting a pullback to come down at least to 25, or it may not. Could stay above this pivot point. 5 minutes till 1 p.m. And this is really, really, really pokey. It's like a big tease, getting down close-ish to where we were. Very much going sideways here. Okay, is this our push down? Let's take a look at some of these other charts here, kind of see where we're at. So potential switch momentum and bias long. This is also about to be momentum bias long. Down here, pretty soon, this will be momentum bias long. And this guy is short, but it's the slowest mover of the bunch. So I'm going to stick to my guns, not FOMO into this because it's really not moving. But 4 green candles is a good sign. So I'm kind of thinking it's going to do this. It's going to come down here and then maybe go up like that. One minute till 1 o'clock. This is like super duper slow. Let's see if something happens here when we cross into 1 o'clock. Maybe we don't want to have any open orders just in case something nutty happens. Woke up a little bit, but still kind of more of the same. Did it wait until 1 to get its permission to move up? Big green. Look at that pullback. Went up. Oh, we missed that.
Long.
So I still think it's going to come back here. It's messing with people. Came up to its level from before. So that is this and this level. So that's a nice 100-point move. Up, down, up. If you stuck with that whole freaking thing. Look at that. So far, it's pretty much reversing right on it. Couple red candles. 4 green, 4 green, 5 green candles. I'm not going to FOMO into this trade. So the way that I trade, I tend to get a lot of impulses. Well, my impulses get me impulses in the market, but short moves. And this is like turtle time here. Maybe we're only going to get $160 in this video because we're 20 minutes in already. Let's see if it's going to get below here. Did that copy over? No, it didn't. It should be right here. Well, it should have copied. Still looking like downside, but it's got to get below this for it to go down. Or maybe it's going to screw me here. And 1, 2, third tap of this area. Almost makes me think this is some holiday or something. Man, why is this so pokey? So it held that area. Testing that area again. Okay, if it goes up, so we got our target way up here. Weekly open. Our first target's going to be like here in this area. But we got to get through this before we get up there. So we got area 1, area 2, and then the stuff up above it. So we're not going to be concerned about the stuff above because we've got to get through areas 1 and 2 first. We're still edging up. So wicks on the bottom, wicks on the bottom, wicks on the top. Switching to big wicks on the bottom the way it's going. So we kind of held this area. Strong push up. So if it's going to do something, it's got to do it now. Okay, we're in for 6. 6 long. Don't want to see another doji here. We need to decide if we're going to stick with this or bail. Almost 115. We got 2 dojis. Wicked us right to our break even. Slightly in profit. Slightly out of profit. So it's either going to go up to this 58 area or it's going to come down here. And see what happens. So we just dumped 6 for a slight profit, like $300. And we'll let this trade play out. We're in for 2 from down here. It's either going to take us out. How far are we? 32 minutes. We've been in this too long. I'm going to trail this up. See how much we can squeak out of this. We're going to get out of this trade. It's not worth the freaking time because it's probably just going to come back and whack us out. There it goes. So 560. It's kind of sucky. Shouldn't have got in that last trade. We lucked out. It could, I mean, at this point, I don't know. It looks like it's edging down, but it really depends on if it's going to hold. It's like 545 level. But we got a decent thing here. And one earlier. So it was a lot of time, half hour for only 560. I mean, that's a little bit less than we did last time because we did 695 last time. So we'll stop it here. I don't know. I don't know if I would want to do another video here. Maybe we'll come back at 2 o'clock or something like that because this is like really pokey. And it's not worth trading because we're just sitting here staring at the chart. It's a big indecision area. I mean, like, it's all wicks over here. So it's just longs and shorts, just kind of not really. I mean, they're not even duking it out. They're kind of like throwing paper napkins at each other or something. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching this one. We did 560 in about 30 minutes of trading. After lunch, it really slowed down before, like a little bit before 11 o'clock. It had a nice move down during the break that we took. And we'll see. I might come back, say like 1:30 or 1:45. See if we can get past this slowness. Maybe it picks up later on in the day. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Catch y'all next time.